Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My banner behind me, I'm going to be changing this very soon, but for the meantime, my contact information is scrollsawvideo@gmail.com. So I've done several videos like this in the past, and many people like these. So I'm going to do a couple more. I'm going to do a review on this Hyper Tough storage compartment container. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, my friends, here's the Hyper Tough small parts organizer that came from Walmart. This is a 2-pack, and it says it has 8 movable dividers in each organizer. So overall, it looks pretty nice. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. It looks very familiar to the one, I think it was the Craftsman. Very familiar to that one. Let's go ahead and, here's the sides on this one. Here's the front. Nice ergonomic handle. The top, you just flip these two hinges open. Open it up this way. Here we go. We have removable dividers. They can go in these slots right here. Anyway, this is pretty nice so far. I like this one. It seems to be pretty well made. So, there we go. I like it. Nice deep containers or compartments. It has this kind of latch right here to connect to the front right here. It just snapped into place. No issues with that. The back hinge is like this, so if you needed to, you could take the top off. I don't know why you'd want to, but you could take the top off if you needed to. Now on the side, you see here, if you take the bottom lock lever and just pop it over to that side, do the same over here. Just pop that over. Go ahead and close these two right here. You can carry both of them at one time. Pretty nice feature there. Very nice feature. Here's the bottom of it. Has these raised up feet on the bottom. One of the reasons it has those is so it could go into the place right here without wobbling. I'll show you. You can see that the outline of the feet just forms to the groove right here, so it won't move. Let's lock this back up. Hyper Tough came from Walmart. I believe this was like $8, maybe $9. Now this was on the clearance rack when I found them, so pretty nice. It comes in a 2-pack, so if you have any need for a nice portable container that will stack where you can carry 2 or more at a time, I'll suggest you go down to Walmart and checking this out. I don't think you can go bad for a $9 price tag for this. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate watching, and I do appreciate if you leave a comment below.